How to become fluent in English in just 30 days. A realistic and powerful plan that works. Do you ever feel stuck when speaking English? You know the words, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You understand grammar, but you still can't speak fluently in real conversations. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the good news is, it doesn't have to stay this way. Because in this video, I'm going to give you a complete, realistic, and powerful 30-day plan to help you become fluent in English, yes, in just 1 month if you stay consistent. No expensive courses, no complex grammar rules, just real daily actions that work. Step 1. Set a powerful personal goal. Fluency starts with clarity. You must know why you want to speak English fluently. Ask yourself, do I want a better job? Am I preparing for an exam like IELTS or TOEFL? Do I want to study abroad? Or do I just want to feel more confident when I speak? Now, take out a notebook or even your phone and write it down. Make it personal. Make it emotional. For example, I want to speak English fluently so I can study in Canada next year. Or, I want to speak confidently in meetings and earn more respect at work. This goal will keep you focused when you feel tired or demotivated. Step 2. Speak English every single day, no exceptions. This is the most important step. If you want to speak English, you must speak it every single day. No excuses. Now, you might be thinking, but I have no one to speak with. That's okay. Let me show you how. Speak to yourself in English. Yes. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, how you feel, what you're thinking. Practice in front of a mirror. Pretend you're having a conversation or giving a presentation. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. They connect you with native and non-native speakers around the world. Record your voice. Choose a topic, speak for 1 minute, and then listen. This helps you hear your mistakes and track your progress. Speaker. I want you to remember this. Speaking improves speaking, not thinking, not reading, not watching. Speaking. And if you do it every day for 30 days, even 15 to 30 minutes, you'll see real change. Step 3. Listen to English for at least 2 hours a day. Your ears need to hear English constantly. Just like babies learn to speak by listening, you need to do the same. Here's how. Start with English shows, movies, or YouTube channels. Use subtitles first, then challenge yourself without them. Listen to English podcasts while walking, doing chores, or commuting. Try BBC Learning English, The English We Speak, or ESL Pod. Use YouTube channels with natural conversations, not robotic or scripted voices. Real English, real people. Re-listen to the same material multiple times. Repetition helps the brain learn naturally. Speaker. When you surround yourself with English sounds every day, your brain starts to recognize patterns, words, and rhythm, even without effort. Step 4. Step 4. Learn 10 to 15 new words daily. And speaker. Vocabulary is the building block of fluency. But don't try to memorize long lists. That doesn't work. Instead, every day, pick 10 to 15 new, useful words. Learn their meaning, pronunciation, and usage. Make your own sentences and speak them out loud. Use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or write them on flashcards. Example, word, sentence. I want to improve my English every day. Speak, I want to improve my English every day. Say it 3-4 times. That's how you move words from your brain to your mouth. Step 5. Write something in English every day. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and fix grammar issues. Start small. Write 5 to 10 lines about your day. Write what you learned today. Describe something, a place, a person, a memory. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just write. Then use tools like Grammarly to check and correct your writing. You'll start noticing your mistakes and learning from them. Step 6. Read aloud to improve fluency and pronunciation. Take any English material, a story, an article, even song lyrics, and read it aloud. It improves your pronunciation, your sentence rhythm, your confidence. Try this. Read one short paragraph every day. Record your voice, then compare it with a native speaker reading the same thing. This technique is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to sound more fluent. Step 7. Talk with a partner or simulate conversations. Speaking with others builds real-world confidence. But even if you don't have a partner, here's what you can do. Ask and answer your own questions. Use conversation prompts like, "What did you eat today? What's your favorite movie and why? What do you want to achieve this month?" Use AI tools or speaking bots if you don't have a real partner. If you can find a speaking buddy, that's perfect. Just 15 minutes of real conversation every day is gold. Step 8. Start thinking in English. Train your brain. This is where fluency becomes natural. Right now, maybe you think in your native language and translate into English, but fluent speakers don't do that. They think directly in English. Here's how to practice. Look around and describe what you see in English. Plan your day in English. When you make a mistake, say in your mind, "Next time, I will say it like this." Start with short, simple thoughts. I need to call my friend. I'm feeling tired. I'm cooking dinner. When your thoughts become English, your fluency becomes automatic. Suggested daily routine for fluency. Here's a simple 30-day routine, even if you're busy. Morning, 30 mins. Learn 10 new words, make sentences, speak them aloud. Afternoon, 1 hour. Listen to a podcast or watch an English video. Do shadowing. Repeat sentences after the speaker. Evening, 1 hour. Write a journal, 5 to 10 lines. Read aloud from a story. Record yourself speaking. Night, 1 to 2 hours. Watch a movie, series, or documentary in English. Relax and enjoy, but listen carefully. If you stick to this for 30 days, your English will transform. What will happen after 30 days? If you follow this plan honestly, here's what will change. You'll stop translating and start thinking in English. You'll speak more confidently and clearly. You'll understand fast, natural English better. You'll express yourself without fear. You may not sound like a native yet, and that's okay, but you'll be fluent enough to hold real conversations. Final motivation, encouragement. I want to leave you with this. Fluency is not a gift. It's not magic. It's practice. If you give your best for the next 30 days, speak, listen, read, write, think in English, you will change your life. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't say, "I'll start tomorrow." Start now. Start today. And I'll be here cheering for you. If you want a free 30-day fluency tracker, daily speaking prompts, or listening materials, just comment below. I'm ready for the 30-day challenge. And if this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more practical English content, share it with a friend who also wants to become fluent. Thanks for watching. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to keep going.